Guys, welcome to my channel Code Solution. I'm Sahel. In this video, I'm gonna show Google Ads about Google Ads. Let's get started. Search bar Google Chrome, Google Ads Editor, then click Google Ad. First link, then start now, and then login account. Next, look your interface. Let's get started. What is your business name? Your business name IT solution. Next, where should people go after clicking your ads? Your website name be file not next. Learning about business. People come here after they click your ad, mobile or desktop, and choose desktop. Next, what's your main advertise goal? Some option about get more calls, get more website sales, or lead, get more visits to your physical location, get more views and engagement on YouTube. Any choose one. Get more calls, website loads. Next, loading conversation. Skip for now. Skip detail. IT solutions. Some load. It's time to write your ad. Phone number. Select your country, and that's phone number. Next, select keyword theme. Dress code, custom dress, casual dress, black dress, cocktail dress, purple, style shopping. I think anyone to choose your category suggestion keyword theme. I think style online shopping, woman clothing. Choose any option. So decide to mine. So next, तो 2650 equal 6. Next, The picks and get the result you want. Select budgets option. Enter your own budget. PKR monthly. Any your payment. Select budget. So next and complete the Google Ads tutorial. So let's see how to Google Ads editor and download and Google Ads create. I hope like your video and next time my channel subscribe and bell icon so next for more videos. Thanks for watching.